Okay, y'all, it's time for another, we're going to call these Majestical Moments with Becky Sinn. And we're going to call them that to dedicate them to my friend Eddie, who really helped me put a lot of things in perspective. And one time Eddie told me that I was a majestical female. So these are my majestical moments that I want to share with you. And last time we talked about doing things that will help us connect to our higher self, and that calling, that inspiration, whatever it is for you. Spend as much time as you can doing that. And this time I would like to remind you to please thank yourself when you do things like that, because let's face it, being a human being is it's a pretty thankless job sometimes, and especially for you parents. Good God. So be sure to say thank you, and be sure to do little things for yourself that you're going to thank yourself for later, like packing your lunch, getting to bed early, cleaning your car, do things that the next day you can say, oh, thank you. I do that all the time. Thank you, past Becky. Thank you so much for packing that lunch, girl. You just saved me $12. You're awesome. So, yes, today is all about thanking yourself for the good work that you do, because you are doing good work. You are. And you're awesome, and you deserve to be thanked. And you deserve love and happiness, and they're right in your heart. They're there for yourself. You got to find it. It's in there somewhere. So, wow. It's easy, really easy to connect when I get to go to places like this. This is, again, the Silver Springs State Park. And it's $6 to launch my kayak and get, wow, just so happy on my days off. Even though I'm facing some crazy changes, they're so crazy, I can still feel happy and grateful and wonderful because I do special things for myself. And anyway, I love you guys. I hope that you want to see some more of these videos, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, I'm going to run into another kayaker. Hi! Thanks, bye-bye!